what's up and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jen. As you can see, I'm in my car and that's because I'm running super late. I actually got a new car. I'm really happy about that. But I'm going to the city right now to this immersive pop-up called Inter NYC. It's been open for a few days now, but I'm finally getting the chance to go. It looks really cool, looks really interesting. I'm excited to go check it out. You guys know the drill, bringing you guys along with me just in case you want to check it out. And yeah, I'm about to head there now. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll link all the info down below, and I will see you guys when we get there.
This is I speaking, your guide. Welcome to Inter, where you'll experience a journey that blurs the lines between you and the world around you. But first, we must ask, what are you and what is the world around you? Can this truly be answered? Are you and the world really just your experiences of them? What actually makes up an experience? Is it a sight, a sound, a smell, a taste, a feeling, a thought? Is it the elements that make up our physical world? Earth, water, fire, wind, ether? Is it all of these things combined, or just some of them?
excited.
I told him it'll live to the hype. It'll live to the hype. But oh my god, there's so many people. So my thoughts on this immersive experience. I was super confused most of the time, and it was so short. It was like so short. Like,
yeah, it was definitely shorter than I thought. There were like how many rooms?
There was like 2 rooms and then the last one, but like it wasn't a lot. Like it felt like it was gonna be more.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
If you're looking for something to do, it's something to do.
Right, but definitely don't think the price was worth the experience.
Yeah.
I don't know, but that's just my opinion. You guys can come check it out. I'll link everything